Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we are again here to learn new tips how to delete the empty rows in Excel. So let's learn how we can delete these rows in just few seconds in Excel. So what you have to do is you can see that we have some empty rows in A column, B column, C column, D column and E column. Okay, first you need to ensure in which column you need to delete the cells. Okay, so what I need to do is I need to remove the rows which are blank in column A. So what I will do, I will select column A, I will select option Control G, then you will find that there is a dialog box open with go to, then you need to click on this icon special, and now you can see that there is one option blank, so you need to click this and then press OK. Now you can see that the blank cells get highlighted in column A. If you drag till and you can see that all the blank cells are highlighted in column A. So what now next step is you just need to click Control minus, and now it is asking, do you want to remove the entire rows? I will click yes in the entire row and then I will click OK. Now you can see my all blank rows are deleted. If you go to the filter, there is no blank rows. So it's very easy. It will take you only 30 seconds to get this done. Now I want to delete in column D. Then I will select column D. I will go to Control G. I will click special. I will select blank cell. I will click OK. My blank cells are highlighted. Then I will click Control minus entire row. OK. It's very simple and it's quite easy and very fast. So I hope you like this video. To learn these kinds of tips and tricks, please subscribe to our channel, and let's meet you in our next video. Till then, goodbye, take care and enhance your skills. Bye bye.